Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and it's time to dream. Let's all dream together. We have certain dreams. We have beautiful dreams. We have nightmares, but we also dream about certain things in life. 其实讲到梦这个字，它有很多种用法啦，哈。比如说我们刚刚讲的，不是睡觉那种梦，就是你有没有梦想，对不对？You have a dream in life.OK， 梦想怎么说呢？
梦想。
梦想。OK，that's 梦想。OK， 这很简单。
那海陆腔，梦想。
梦熊不是梦到熊哦，是你的梦想。我的梦想是梦到熊，
噩梦了啦。
那就是噩梦了。对 ，sounds like dreaming of a bear 。But no, it's a different dialect for I have a dream， 一个梦想哈。好，那我们回到我们所谓的这晚上睡觉的时候会做梦。那做梦怎么说呢 ？To have a dream。
博梦，
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 博梦，博就这样子啊。
博
起来梦起来那样子是博梦 OK that means having a dream while you're sleeping alright 做梦那刚刚讲对不对噩梦 nightmare how do you say that
有两种的说法我们要讲长一点的话就是电影讲给梦
哇这是一场噩梦啊要我赶快讲这句话是不是电影讲给梦这样听起来电影里面有做梦还是什么
不是啊
电影讲给梦这是噩梦的意思哦
对啊就是让人觉得很可怕的梦嘛
Really? Okay. That's one way of saying nightmare. It's very lengthy, but it sounds kind of cute actually. 其实听起来还蛮好玩的。然后呢，短一点的。
简单一点的就是噩梦。
噩梦哦，就是噩梦啦哈。
对。
噩梦 Okay, that's a shorter way of saying nightmare. All right, let's make a sentence out of this. 我做了一场噩梦，怎么说呢 I had a nightmare last night.
挨做一个懂电影讲给梦
哦，一定要用这个长的吗？为什么不说噩梦就好了？
挨做一个噩梦
也可以嘛，对不对？
可以。
好，挨做一个 that means I made a nightmare. 长的是电影讲给梦 or 噩梦。And let's review some of these terms. 梦想怎么说 A dream, to have a dream.
梦想。
梦想 And then while you're sleeping, you have a dream. 做梦。
博梦。
博梦 And finally the nightmare. 噩梦。
电影讲给梦
Or 噩梦。这样就可以了。
Okay.
There you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.